willing to talk. Hi and welcome to MavTech. I'm Mark and today I'm talking about 2020's most talked about budget smartphone. Well, actually 2020's most talked about smartphone. Yeah, Apple's new iPhone SE 2. I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that supports me over on my Instagram page. We've just passed 40,000 followers and that's just amazing. The community on Instagram is just awesome and you guys push me to work hard every day. And so to say thank you, I've got a really special giveaway happening soon. So make sure you're subscribed and following on YouTube and Instagram so you don't miss out on this really special giveaway. Now the iPhone SE 2, I'm going to call it, is Apple's latest iPhone release. And I can't remember the last time the tech community was so divided over a smartphone spec list and overall design. You've got three options. You've got white, black and product red for your colour design. You've also got three capacity options. 64GB, which is going to cost you £419. You've got 128GB, it's going to cost you £469. And the biggest storage option is 256GB at £569. So in the box you get the iPhone SE. You get your earpods with lightning connector. You get a lightning to USB cable. You get a 5-watt USB power adapter. And of course, your paperwork plus stickers. Peeling back this plastic reveals the beautiful product red colour. And on the front side, the 4.7-inch Retina HD display with 326 ppi and a max brightness of 625 nits. And of course, haptic touch, as we all know by now, is the long press and hold feature. The A13 Bionic chip inside is Apple's 3rd gen neutral engine. And it's all sealed in a fully glass body that's IP67 rated and supports wireless charging. The 12 megapixel rear camera is an f1.8 aperture. It does have portrait mode, but only for face recognition. This could in an update include animals and other objects, but not out the box. It supports 4K video at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. The 7 megapixel front facing camera is an f2.2 aperture. It supports portrait mode, portrait lighting effects and has 1080p HD video at 30 frames per second. So let's get this straight. In 2020, Apple released a so-called new iPhone SE that has the exact same screen resolution as a 2014 iPhone 6 and basically the same design. It feels the same, it looks the same, it's even got the same screen size. But wait, flip this iPhone over and you notice Apple have lowered the logo to the middle of the device to bring it in line with the other iPhones that are out at the moment. Well done Apple, that's a new iPhone SE. The iPhone SE isn't meant to be a flagship killer. It's not even meant to compare or come close to the higher end iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Pros. And again, it's not here to nip at the heels of the latest Samsung S20s and S20 Ultras. You need to understand why this iPhone's been released and really look at the price. This is a real budget option in a time when Apple can release a £699 set of Mac Pro wheels. Yeah, let that sink in for a minute. Starting at £419 for a 64GB storage option iPhone that's rocking the same A13 Bionic chip as the bigger flagship options. This is by no means a slow or underpowered iPhone. This iPhone SE2 is really for someone that's unsure about Face ID or the new gesture systems. And really, this would be perfect for someone like my dad. He doesn't need the latest cameras, the highest screen resolution. Believe it or not, there's a big group of consumers that honestly don't care about the latest tech and have a lower budget and just need an entry-level iOS system device so they can FaceTime and iMessage family and friends. So this is a very capable but budget iPhone that comes with the build quality we've all come to love from Apple. And with the A13 chip inside, this is going to be able to receive iOS updates for at least the next 5 years. And like I've already said, this gets you a capable iOS device for just over £400. That's pretty incredible. So I want to use this iPhone SE for a few weeks and then give you my full rundown and thoughts of the iPhone SE from 2020. And I think this little phone's going to surprise me. So if you've got any questions or want to know something specific about the iPhone SE 2020 model, stick them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. I want to say a massive thank you for tuning in here again at MavTech, and please, like I said, hit the like button, it really helps the channel out, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Mark, see you soon.